I enjoy speaking about Isintu words that are untranslatable into English, into Afrikaans, or other languages that are not Isintu languages. You remember on one post I spoke about the untranslatable word umfeli. The word that I would like to point out to you now that in the research that I've done and in my thinking that I find to be untranslatable in one word, it's important, in one word, is the isiZulu word BAKWETHU. Okay, the word BAKWETHU finds an echo, so you have it also in quite a number of our other languages in South Africa. I'm thinking about, the isiXhosa version of BAKWETHU becomes MAWETHU. In Sepedi, we speak about BARESHU. I'm thinking about the word that is used very often for the Ndebele language. They speak about iskethu. Okay, but we are talking about the word BAKWETHU. I'm thinking about the word in Setswana. It is the word BAKWETHU. Okay, but this word BAKWETHU, and I'm focusing now specifically on the isiZulu language, I find to be untranslatable in one word. I'm talking about a synonym, one word in the English language denoting the word BAKWETHU. Just to analyze the word, the ba referring to the second person plural, in other words, he, she, and it, but plural. Ba, the subject title concord, specifically ba, referring to them, and ethu, which is the first person plural, but it is the genitive meaning to when you own something. Ethu is when we have something, okay? But the combination BAKWETHU makes an absolutely beautiful, beautiful word. And there's something in the word that explains a way of life on the African continent. Just that word, BAKWETHU. It speaks about community. Okay, let me give you a translation in English. Some would say BAKWETHU can be translated as our people. Our people, how are you today? BAKWETHU ninjani namuhla. Our people, okay? Our people, BAKWETHU. But remember now, our people, two words in English. In isiZulu, BAKWETHU. One word. BAKWETHU. In Setswana, Sepedi, BARESHU. SiXhosa, MAWETHU. It is a beautiful word. And untranslatable. Speaking about community, speaking about us. Not you and me, but us. My people, our people. There's a sense of community in the word that I find absolutely beautiful. I speak quite a number of languages, but there's no equivalent in the other languages that I'm familiar with. I'm talking about Russian. I can help myself with French. I can help myself with German. Many of the languages in our country, I read some of the ancient languages. I haven't found a word as beautiful as the word, when it comes to a sense of community, the word BAKWETHU. Hold on to the beauty of the vernacular languages in our country. It is beautiful.